Hi, and welcome to day 2 of our bike trip to Coorg. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and I came out for a walk. Had a good sleep after riding for more than 300 kilometers yesterday.
ಲವ್ ಮರಿ
ಹೊಡಿತಾರ.
ಮೂರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟೀ ಹಾಕಿ.
ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹಾಕಿ.
ಯಾಕ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕು?
ನಂಗೆ ಎರಡು.
Drank this coffee, which was really bad, and then came back to our rooms, took bath, got ready, and then went to Omkareshwara temple. This temple is located in center of Madkeri, and they even have a dress code for the entry. They kicked him out because of his shorts. Saw countless of fish in the Kalyani, rested a bit for a while, and then went to eat our breakfast in Udupi Grand. The dosa that we ordered tasted even better with this view. Drank the second coffee of the day, which was way better than the one which we drank in the morning. Came to our room, packed everything, and we were ready to leave this day.
Day 2.
We kept our luggages in the resort and came to our next spot, the Abbe Falls.
ನಾವಿಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಗ್ನಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬರೋದು ಇನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೆಳಗವ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹಳೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಟಿಕಾಯಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು.
We ate egg Maggie, and that was our lunch today. An ice cream in this hot sun was much needed.
ಇವಳು ಇರ್ತಾಳ, ಇವಳು ನಾಳೆ ಅವಳು ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹೋಗ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಚಿನ್ನ ಬಿಡೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Next was a jeep ride to Mandalpatti. The ride was almost an hour long with these beautiful surroundings. We were misguided by the local jeep renters that our bikes wouldn't make it in these roads, but they would have easily gotten us here.
ಬೇಡವಾ ನಿತಿನ್, ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾ. ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾ ನಿತಿನ್.
ಇನ್ನೂ ನಿನ್ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಚ್ಚ ಒಯ್ಯೋದ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ.
ಸೋಡಾ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮನ ಮಾರೆ ಜಾದಳು.
We waited a long time for the fog to clear so that we could have a nice view, but with no luck, we only enjoyed what we had in our hands. And if you are visiting Mandalpatti, check the weather if you want to see the beautiful surroundings, which is kind of the main purpose of visiting this place. I would recommend the jeep ride unless you have an off-road bike. Jeep ride will cost you around 2,000 to 3,000 per jeep, which accommodates 6 to 7 people. The total duration is around 2 to 4 hours, including your time at the viewpoint. They cover around 7 kilometers off-road and 40 to 45 kilometers of normal road. It had rained heavily by the time we came back down. We had planned to eat snacks while enjoying the sunset, but the weather had other plans. We took some photos of the bikes and then went directly to eat our dinner. We ordered neer dosa and chapati with pork curry and chicken curry, which were all prepared in local Coorg style. We also ordered fermented fresh juice and more pork curry. The food was very tasty and I was more than satisfied with everything we ordered. This place is called Kodagu Coorg Cuisine and it is a must-visit place when you are in Madkeri. We ended our meal with the coconut pudding, which was decent. This was our day 2 in Coorg. Good night.